Have you ever feel the need? It's time to hit that reset button. Well, to be honest, we all need to hit that reset button ever so often to try and get back our body to a right balance. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple, very easy green smoothie that can help us to detox our body. So some of the ingredients them I'm going to be adding into this smoothie. I'm going to be adding 1 green apple, also known as the Granny Smith apple. These apples, they've got a compound inside them called pectin, which is a fiber source that works as a probiotic to promote the growth of healthy bacteria in our gut. And these bacteria, them can also help us to break down the food more efficiently. Celery. Celery is rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, plus potassium and folate. The lime. Lime is a high source of vitamin C and antioxidant. And lime will offer a lot of health benefits to our body. The grapes, the green grapes. Green grapes are packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, potassium, magnesium, and many more. The spinach. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamin K, vitamin A, and vitamin C. And the spinach, it is also a great source of magnesium. Avocado. Avocado is a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, and also vitamin B6, potassium, and magnesium. So that's just a brief description of all of the ingredients and some of the benefits them have to offer. If you like the information so far from FadaGugs, just give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Also turn on the post notification so you'll be notified each time FadaGugs have posted a video. So now let's just start the process of making that nice smoothie. So I've got my blender here. So all we need to do is just put everything inside the blender. This is a nice handful of spinach. So just drop it inside the blender. Get that out of the way. We've got half avocado. And we've got 2 nice celery sticks. Everything already been washed. So as I said before, make sure that when you make your juice, you wash all your ingredients them. So that's, you know, put no germs, nothing inside your body which you don't want inside it. So basically just cut up the things them and drop them in the blender just like that. I know a lot of you worried about the celery, because a lot of people don't like celery, but with the combination of things that is in this, I'm telling you, you're not going to even know that there's celery inside it. Yeah, so just chop them up as fine as I can and just drop them in. So I'm using 1 green apple, yeah, just throw them inside the blender. As I said, half avocado, peel it off, and just drop it inside the blender. Also known as pear. So the avocado is the same thing as pear. Then I'll be using about 15 green grapes. There we have it. And last, I'm going to be using lime. So just kind of peel the lime. Because we don't really want the lime skin inside it. So just try to get off the outer skin. Yeah, then just cut it up as fine as possible. Just like that. Just stuff it in the blender. There you have it, and then we're going to use about 1.5 cup to 2 cup of water. There you go. Just wipe my hands. Then just place the lid on. So there it is, ready to be blended. I'm gonna just clear up the surface a bit. The side. Bring the grinder forward. There you go. It's ready. Start the process of blending. Yes, people, so here we have it. I'll finish blending. Just get these out of the way. You have a nice look at that color, nice and green. When your body see you get ready to drink this, your body's supposed to know, say, you need business. So let's just get a nice glass, put it in so you can have a look. There we go. And I tell you, you're not going to even know that there's celery inside it. Here we go. This is the final product. And I said before, ever so often we need to kind of try and detoxify our body, to try and get out all of the unwanted stuff out of our body. So let's put a couple of ingredients inside it, just like that. Then I'll just add nice celery leaf. So there you have it, people. That is the final product, a green detoxifying smoothie. It is healthy and it also is delicious. So don't let the celery throw you off. So that's the final product. If you like the video, just give me a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And as always, remember to share with your friends, your family. For now, until next time, FadaGugs is out.